Hello boss, this is Reinhard and this is my new bike, the KTM 790 Duke. If you want to know how I made this so grey or make this exhaust so nicely mounted here, then keep watching this video and you will see the transformation of this bike. The status now as I bought it second hand, my new KTM Duke 790. Let me walk you through. I am not a fan of this orange. Therefore, I will see if I can do first time wrapping with all these different shapes here. You know, put a bit of stretch in the vinyl, in the wrap. Hopefully it works out. Wow, it was hard. It was really challenging. I would say it took now 5 hours. Wow. It seamlessly kind of make, you know, from that to the gray to the black. Wow. Next, this fender had here some wrap, which I removed already, also in orange. And I will place again for the license plate here the number. That's then also legal. Then we have here the headlight. Let's see if we wrap this. The mirrors with this covers. So bulky. I don't like this design. I want to make it a bit more cool. Maybe some mirrors which are on the side. The previous owner did not ride with a passenger. That's why he had here just a cover. I placed again this one, this bar also to hold on. And I placed the footrest. But with the footrest we faced here on this side no issue. But if we go to the other side, the exhaust was mounted with a brick here at this area, because this footrest was not there anymore. But now, as Christine will also go with me, I have to find a different solution. And then also to have a heat plate here, that Christine with her leg is not getting burned from this exhaust. Service was just recently done, so from the riding was nice. I just noticed one thing, the tension of the chain is way too loose. But this one I will also do myself, DIY. Open it. I think that's it, and then without further ado, I will go and do a few of the modifications, and hopefully you have seen it already. The result will be convincing, if I can say so, and make a difference compared to now. I just noticed one thing while editing the video. There is no ending, but it's not the end, because there will be a second part. If you like, just leave also a comment if you like this video, because in the second part, now after all the modification is done from the outside, I want to ride this bike because it's really powerful and really nice. So in the next video I will make some review about the riding experience. So see you there. See, it's just first step 6.3